And to turn left, you want to get in closer to the yellow line to do that. And complete stop just before the solid white line. Perfect. Now it's your turn to go. They're all gonna stop for their stop signs. You have the right of way over there. Yeah, good. So when you're parking downhill with a curb, watch what they do. I think this is what you're referring to. Watch this. Okay, wheels to the right. They might be a little too close to the curb though, because they can't really, there's not enough space, right? For him to, so she's going to make him get away from the curb a little bit so that he can turn the wheels all the way to the right. And then they're going to put it in neutral and let it roll so that it rests against the curb, just like that. Is that what you were referring to? Yeah, okay.
That was good timing.
I'll pay him later. Wouldn't want to rear end this thing, eh?
No, I know.
You see those two spikes?
Yeah.
One's aiming for your head, one's aiming for my head.
Yeah.
There's a left lane over here. We're going to get into it. We'll make a left turn. Looks like the production crew is here. That's going to be fun. So we get into the closest lane first, into the closest left curb, and we'll just pause because we have to make a right lane change. So slow it down, slow it down. You need enough time to put that signal on, check your mirror, check your blind spot before you make the lane change. So what you want to do is actually stop in that lane first if you need to. Looks like they're making a film. Letterkenny or something like that. Complete stop. So you see the do not enter sign over here on the right.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be interesting. So now, see the little feet under the vehicle? Somebody's between the vehicles. That's what we're looking for. Pedestrians. And let's go ahead and we'll make a left lane change. We're gonna have to. I want to make a left turn at this intersection. Pedestrian, let's stay behind him though. Stay behind him. Door opening. Signal left. There we go. Complete stop here. We have that flashing red light, which means stop. You don't have a stop sign on this side. There's one here. That's because this stop sign is missing, so I don't know what happened to it. Should be one. Go ahead. So now you can tell that you're turning from a one-way to a two-way street here because of the way the cars are going, right? And then you look around, look at all the cars, the way they're parked on each side of the road. Looks like a two-way to me. I'm gonna make a left turn. So just a quick glance, and off we go. See the do not enter signs there. Into the closest lane. Perfect. Now we're just scanning around, looking for feet under the vehicles. Anything that moves.
Searching for greatness.